Becoming an expert in coding involves dedication, practice, and continuous learning. Here's a detailed guide on how to become an expert in coding. Choose a programming language. Start by selecting a programming language to focus on. Popular choices include Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and many others. Your choice may depend on your interests, career goals, and the applications you want to develop. Learn the fundamentals. Begin with the basics of programming, including concepts like variables, data types, control structures, loops and conditionals, functions, and object-oriented programming, if applicable. There are numerous online resources, tutorials, and books available for learning programming fundamentals. Practice regularly. Coding is a skill that improves with practice. Dedicate regular time to coding, whether it's solving programming challenges, working on personal projects, or contributing to open-source projects. Practice helps reinforce your understanding of programming concepts and improves your problem-solving skills. Work on projects. Building projects is an excellent way to apply your coding skills to real-world problems. Start with small projects and gradually increase their complexity as you gain more experience. Projects can include web development, mobile app development, game development, data analysis, automation scripts, etc. Read high-quality code. Studying code written by experienced developers can provide valuable insights into best practices, coding styles, and problem-solving techniques. Read open-source projects on platforms like GitHub and analyze how they're structured and implemented. Participate in coding communities. Join online coding communities, forums, and discussion groups where you can connect with other platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit, e.g., our Learn Programming, and Discord servers dedicated to programming are great places to engage with the coding community. Take courses and tutorials, enroll in online courses, attend coding bootcamps, or participate in workshops to deepen your understanding of specific programming concepts or technologies. There are many reputable online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, edX, and Pluralsight offering courses on various programming topics. Master data structures and algorithms. Understanding data structures and algorithms is essential for writing efficient and scalable code. Study common data structures, arrays, linked lists, trees, graphs, etc., and algorithms, sorting, searching, dynamic programming, etc., and practice solving algorithmic problems on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Codeforces. Stay updated. The field of programming evolves rapidly, with new technologies, frameworks, and best practices emerging regularly. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements by reading blogs, following influential developers on social media, attending conferences, and participating in online webinars and workshops. Build a portfolio. As you gain experience and complete projects, showcase your work in a portfolio. A portfolio demonstrates your coding skills, creativity, and the types of projects you've worked on. It can be a valuable asset when seek feedback and mentorship. Solicit feedback on your code from peers, mentors, or online communities. Constructive feedback can help you identify areas for improvement and refine your coding skills. Consider finding a mentor who can provide guidance, support, and advice as you progress in your coding journey. Never stop learning. Technology is constantly evolving, so embrace a mindset of lifelong learning. Continuously explore new programming languages, tools, frameworks, and methodologies to broaden your skill set and stay relevant in the ever-changing tech landscape. Becoming an expert in coding is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a genuine passion for learning and problem-solving.